Oh yeah, while I don't boss. Nigerian police just ordered the arrest of a young boy who went to testify in church as being a former ritualist. Problem don't they? Please watch the video. When we come back, we'll break it down to pieces.
Now the Ghana man say me you bring what?
Two virgins. So when they bring the girls, they can't key. Now me use my hand key the girls. They can't open their hearts. Baba can't say make I use my hand collect their hearts. I call the shopper.
With what?
With alcohol.
With alcohol. Where do you live?
Ghana.
What are you doing there?
Yahoo.
Yahoo.
Yahoo Plus.
Yahoo Plus. Which one be Yahoo Plus?
Yahoo now. The normal one when boys they press.
And then they press. One are press. One are plus. Which one be the plus?
Plus now to keep woman.
That be the plus.
Nine boys they do.
Now that they do.
This is the reason why I know they come out for church for testimony. I do not come out to the altar to testify. I feel like the church in Nigeria, they show too much. They show too much online for content. Now, when I don't put this mobile now, for problem. This boy, now former Yahoo Boy, Yahoo Plus. He say when he be Yahoo Boy, say the Baba where they do medicine for them, say make them bring girls, virgin, then kill the girls, then cut their heart, then swallow the heart. But now, he don't come church. He don't be born again. He don't accept God as a personal Lord and Savior. I'm a Christian. I understand that part. But, pastor and church, what was your reason for putting this boy on camera? What was your reason for putting this boy on camera? Now, Nigerians and police don't they call for the arrest of the boy. The boy is now on the run because he come your church can't testify. Must everything be recorded? Must everything be content for you and your church? Can't you just keep some things low-key? That make me like Catholic church. You go to confess to the priest, just you and the father. Only you and the father, you confess. After you confess, you go. Nobody know what you tell father. This church is these days, small thing camera. Small thing camera for you. Now so, Jim Ike, go one church. The whole church, the video and we are in the road for ground. Oh, evil spirit. Oh, a whole Jim Ike. Do you know till date that stigma still there Jim Ike body? Even when me and Jim Ike enter plane, I dey fear make Jim Ike no disappear because I think say in they possessed. Everything is not for content. I feel like some things the church should moderate how they showcase it. Now this boy is on the run.